Alright, so here's problem 9, proving identities. So remember, we take the more complicated side and see if we can reduce it to the other side. And in this example, you can see they pretty much look the same. And this is similar to another example we worked. But I guess we'll just go ahead and take the right-hand side and see if we can get this other side. Yeah, and for this problem, if you wanted to, you could take the left-hand side and see if you can simplify it to this one. I think it'll work both ways. So for this one, they're so similar. They almost look like reciprocals of each other, except for the one minus sign and one plus sign. That's the difference there. So they're not reciprocals. So what we'll do here is we will multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. So I'm going to multiply by 1 minus sine x over 1 minus sine x. And just to note, if you did the other side, I won't work it through, but it would be similar. I would multiply by 1 plus sine x over 1 plus sine x. Okay, multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. Since we chose the right hand side, we're going to multiply by the conjugate of the numerator. Alright, so now multiplying this, so well, 1 times 1, that's 1, and then that's going to be negative sine x plus sine x is 0. I'm doing the full method. And then sine x times negative sine x is minus sine squared x over cosine x times 1 minus sine x. Alright, so you can see that here I have this term. Okay, so I'm not going to distribute the cosine, but somehow I got to get the cosine out of here. Well, remember the property sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. So if I move sine squared over, subtract it to both sides, I get cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. So the 1 minus sine squared x I can replace with cosine squared. And so that's cosine squared x over cosine x times 1 minus sine x. And we can see here the cosine cancels. I'm left with 1. This cancels. I'm left with cosine x because it's cosine squared. And you can see that we now have the other side, cosine x over 1 minus sine x. And there's the left hand side. Alright, so hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos if you need to. Alright, thanks.